Hey guys, I'm here at Crossville Dragway and I just wanted to make this video and tell you guys a little bit about the event that's coming up and how it's going to run, how everything's going to be laid out. A lot of people are under the impression it's just a show, but it's not. The whole idea for this is a session. My original idea was to rent a track, close the gates, just so we can come out here and do our own thing, but it was really expensive and I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't afford it. So I got with a track. They said if you throw an event that we can market, and I'll be completely honest with you guys, they want 70% of the gate, and that's the only way the track is making money, and then I don't have to pay them. So we can have a track for the entire weekend, but Saturday we have to throw a public event. So I figured we go all these sessions anyway, and we do mini comps. So I'm gonna hold mini comps right here on the riding surface for the general public. So we're gonna sell tickets, general public's gonna come in Saturday, and we're gonna do a mock competition, mini comp type thing. Nothing judged, no freestyle, nothing like that, all mini comps. So I think it'll be entertaining for the public and a blast for us. But with that said, I don't want you guys to think that if you come on Saturday you have to compete, but there's going to be a free ride session at the end of the track. There's 2,300 feet of riding surface here. I'm gonna use about 600 of it for the competition. Then we're gonna have stoppy lanes, and then we're gonna have a freestyle area. So all weekend, Saturday, Sunday, we're gonna be free riding. So don't hesitate to come ride all weekend if that's just what you wanna do. I'm trying to get in Friday right now, so we can come in, camp. They might run race cars on Friday night, they might not. I'm trying to talk them out of it, but either way we'll be able to get in, set up camp, hang out, maybe have some beers and watch some cars go fast. You'll definitely have to have wristbands and stuff like that. I have to charge $20 for riders to come in. I don't want that to shock anybody, but 20 bucks for riders for the entire weekend. $10 for spectators. You bring your girlfriend with you, your cousin, brother, whatever. And that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and take you around and show you the place. So this is the staging lanes. This is awesome asphalt. It's a big area where all the cars stage. So basically we're gonna have some vendors here as well. This is where like food trucks and stuff like that's gonna be. I hired the AJ Carter Band, which is a local band here. It's a younger guy, plays awesome rock music. Just he's really popular here locally, and he's a blast to hang out with, and he's excited to come hang out with all us crazy folks. So it's gonna be a good time. We're gonna have a stage set right here with AJ on it. So Saturday night we're gonna have a big party after riding and have a good time. Okay, so this is the main service. Obviously you guys have been to a drag strip before. This is the actual racetrack. This is smooth concrete, but they can prep it to whatever we need. They can make it slippery or the stickiest stuff you've ever walked on. So I'm gonna have them do like a medium compound, and it's gonna be awesome. This is just gonna be comps and take off for the Stoppy AM Stoppy School. We got grandstands for the public. We got walls installed on. We got a big center area. Like I said, I'm gonna use probably 600 or 700 feet of this for the competition on Saturday. Sunday, it's gonna be wide open. We'll probably move the stoppies way back so me and Toast can haul some ass, you know what I mean? Okay, so this is like halfway down the track. This is right in the middle. This is honestly the best surface, which is why I want to hold the stoppies right here. So basically, I've got it marked off for 300 feet. The pickups just on the asphalt here, and then 500 feet. Once you get to 500 feet, it gets a little bumpy. So those guys rolling over 500 feet better bring their A game. But the guys that are trying to go for 500, you guys are gonna have the best surface on the entire track. This is gonna be a free riding portion of the track. I think I'm gonna be able to have 700-800 feet of this all weekend locked down for free riding. There's a big concrete pad here for the turnaround, which we'll be able to use. So all this is just gonna be a freestyle mania over here. Probably where I'm gonna be most of the time. This is probably the coolest part of the track. I tried to talk them into making this asphalt, but they bought concrete. But it is really pretty. Unfortunately, it's super bumpy, so we're gonna be using this for camping, maybe some vendor setup. Basically, this is where we set up, hang out, camp, all that stuff. Tent campers, you'll probably have to find some grass, but the guys sleep in their vans and RVs and stuff like that. We have a super nice spot for you. It looks massive. It's pretty damn big. Like I said, super bumpy. I know everybody's like, man, this is where we should be riding, but I promise you, it's not. Mini bike guys, this is what you're gonna be excited about. So this whole area right here is going to be a mini bike track. We're gonna haul in a couple loads of dirt. We're gonna make a big berm. We're gonna make some jumps. This is gonna be open all weekend as well. We're gonna do some racing. We're gonna have some classes. We're gonna have 3 classes, everything from stock to unlimited class on Saturday. But Friday night, Saturday night, all day Sunday, this is going to be wide open for you mini bike guys to come out here and just give it your all. This is the middle of the track. We still got a whole lot more to go. This is the turn. This is where the big jump's going to be. This is probably how it's going to turn out. That's it. That's pretty much the whole property. It's going to be awesome. Hope to see everybody here. It sounds like everybody's coming. Hopefully I'm not going to crash these rocks. Whoa. It's going to be a good turnout. Be sure to follow me on all the social stuff so I can be social and we can